For me, being a musician is something that I have to do it. People who really want to have a life and career making music, it's not a hobby or just a pastime. It's really something that is on your mind all the time. And whether or not you're writing music or teaching music or playing music, in whatever way, in whatever capacity, just really fills up your soul.
I remember the first time I saw marimba, I was like, what is that? I have to learn it. And I just keep pushing myself, and I got to do a lot of cool things, like marching band is one of my favorite things ever. I really hope to get to continue working with marching band. And I just keep finding new things that I'm like, wow, this instrument is awesome. I just want to keep performing and playing for people like my whole life.
School of Music was built in 1950 and the flagship music program in the state. Just since I've been here, we've had graduates that have been nominated for Grammys, have won a Guggenheim Fellowship. It's just an incredible place to learn, to grow, and to thrive.
I think our music department is, at least as far as the people here, is very competitive, and our students are dedicated, and we have so many programs that, really let people kind of work into what they want to do and find their own musical voice. Our building doesn't really reflect the amount of talent and professionalism that we have in our, in our faculty and our students.
When this school of music was built in the 1950s, it was a state-of-the-art facility. We now have more than twice the number of faculty and students that we had then. So we've been planning to renovate the School of Music for many years. So this first phase updates our instrumental and vocal rehearsal spaces. We get a new suite of practice rooms that are renovated so that they're now soundproof.
Coming back in the fall to a new renovated space will definitely bring a lot more productivity, excitement. It's just going to be like a chain of motivation, and you're probably going to see a lot of really high quality performances following that renovation.
This is a real shot in the arm for our students, for our faculty, and our staff. It's been so exciting to see students get the sense of these new spaces. They can perform in it, and they actually inspire performances. We're so excited to think about phases 2 and 3. We are going to update all of our classroom spaces. We're going to update the music recital hall. The School of Music is so grateful to our donors, and we'd like to give a special thank you to our lead donors who have been with this project since almost the very beginning planning stages. And those folks are Lillian McCammon, Don and Donna McCammon, Diana and Richard Nash, and John and Sue Talbot. Thank you so much.